Hey everyone! Welcome back to Cash Current, where we dive deep into the world of finance and cryptocurrency. Today we're going to explore one of the most revolutionary technologies of our time, blockchain technology. So, what exactly is blockchain and why is it causing such a buzz in the financial world? Let's find out. Imagine a digital ledger that is distributed across a vast network of computers, where every transaction is recorded and verified in real time. This ledger is not controlled by any single entity, but is instead maintained by a decentralized network. This, in essence, is what a blockchain is. Blockchain technology was first introduced in 2008 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto as the underlying technology for Bitcoin. But since then, it has evolved far beyond just cryptocurrencies. Today, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize various industries, especially finance. At its core, a blockchain is a chain of blocks, each containing a list of transactions. These blocks are linked together in chronological order, creating a secure and immutable record of all transactions. This makes blockchain incredibly secure and transparent. Let's break down the key characteristics of blockchain technology. Decentralization. Unlike traditional databases controlled by a central authority, a blockchain is decentralized. This means no single entity has control, reducing the risk of manipulation or fraud. Transparency. Every transaction on a blockchain is visible to all participants, making the entire process transparent and auditable. Security. Transactions are secured using cryptographic techniques, ensuring data integrity and security. Immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This creates a permanent and tamper-proof record. These features make blockchain technology a game-changer for industries that rely heavily on trust, security, and transparency, especially finance. In the world of finance, blockchain can streamline processes, reduce costs, and enhance security. From cross-border payments to smart contracts and decentralized finance, the applications are vast and transformative. So, there you have it. A quick introduction to blockchain technology and its potential impact on finance. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into how blockchain is being used in specific financial applications and what the future holds for this groundbreaking technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Cash Current.